Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So officially one of my favorite phones is absolutely dead. The HTC U11, I don't know if you guys remember a while back, I broke the SIM tray on here. Well, I didn't break it, I was pulling it out and it broke off. And this is the problem with using a plastic SIM tray. I think this is a huge downfall from a lot of OEMs. And, unfortunately it struck this phone right here. One day I was just pulling it out, just put my SIM card back into here because I changed SIM cards a lot. This was my daily driver, and it's unfortunate because this phone now is pretty much useless to me, and I can't use it anymore. I bought a new SIM tray, but unfortunately when I pulled out the other SIM tray, I think half of it kind of got stuck in there. And then I tried to I pulled some of it out, but the majority of it, I guess there's pieces still in there, because when I try to put the new SIM tray in, it's jammed. And so now my HTC U11 is officially not usable for phone calls or anything like that. So it's unfortunate that I have to pretty much put this phone to rest. This was a good phone. I'm still going to use it as a second camera to the channel. Like I'll use it to do like different angles probably and things like that. But the phone itself can't be used for phone calls, and that's such a bad thing. And the point of this video is to let these OEMs know, stop using plastic SIM trays, because Samsung still uses plastic SIM trays, and HTC does, and a few others. Using a plastic SIM tray causes problems like this. It could easily be bent, or just as simple as me just putting my SIM ejection tool in there and then pulling out. The SIM card got jammed or something, and then I just pulled it very slowly, and it bent and broke off into the actual phone. So that is it's a bad deal. I really wish that companies would switch to metal SIM trays, because it's totally doable. There's plenty of phones out there with metal SIM trays. And I think at this point, there's really no excuse for using plastic SIM trays. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I've never been a fan of plastic SIM trays. I think they should have been gone a long time ago. My chassis of my phone is metal. Why am I still using a metal plastic SIM tray? I don't get it. But real briefly, anybody else, did you break your SIM tray? Have you tried to, are you in the same situation as me where it's stuck down in there and it just won't come out, and did you disassemble your phone? What did you do? Are you just using yours as a camera now, or are you using T-Mobile digits? Because that's totally possible. Obviously, I could do that, but, that kind of defeats the purpose for me. I want to just be able to use the phone as is. So I don't know, maybe I will start using T-Mobile digits with it. I don't know yet, but kind of bummed out that I can't put my SIM card in here and use this phone anymore. So it's your man Jay Will. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about the cell phone companies and OEMs using plastic SIM trays? Is it a go or a no? Which is it? Should they kick it to the curb? What are they supposed to be doing here? I'll see you in the next video. Leave a comment down below, guys.